Di man madali ang ating paglalakbay, may unos, may takot na di may kubli. Pero sa bawat hakbang ng buhay, ikaw ang pinili.
By the best man. With his parents. Palakpakan tayo. Let us also welcome the Giyay Tumakder, the second parents, the ito'y couple, the principal sponsors. Palakpakan tayo, Suda. At this point, legendary sponsors. To light the path, the Kindle sponsors. And to clot the couple as one, the Veil sponsors. Couple as one, the Veil sponsors. Bible Bearer. And the symbol of love, the ring bearer. To carry the symbol of treasure, the coin bearers. Welcome the Maid of Honor. Shower the aisle with flowers and bubbles. Let's welcome our cute flower girls and bubble boys.
At ngayon, mahal ko sa'yo ang puso kong buo. Sa hirap man o ginhawa, ikaw lang ang kasama. At kung babalikan ang lahat, wala akong pagsisisi, Sinta. Dahil minahal kita sa paraang alam ko.
Once again, let us welcome the beautiful bride Fabia with her parents. Let's give them a round of applause.